Hey friends, who's hungry? While fried is my favorite way to eat okra, it's not the healthiest option. Check out this recipe for oven roasted okra. First, trim the stems and cut the okra in half. In a small bowl, combine 1.5 tablespoons of paprika, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1 teaspoon of dried basil, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. Place the okra in a medium mixing bowl. Drizzle 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil over the top of the okra, followed by the seasoning mixture. Stir until the okra is evenly coated, then preheat the oven to 425 degrees. Spread the okra in an even layer on a greased baking sheet. Then roast the okra for 10 to 15 minutes until the okra is tender and starting to brown in some places.